thing is wild. One more win in a drag race between a 1,067 horsepower Gunther Werks F26 Porsche 911 993 and a bunch of other supercars, starting with a 992 GT3 RS. Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. Let me tell you how this video is going to work. I'm going to be drag racing this Gunther Werks, and we're going to keep on escalating the car that's going to challenge it. We're going to start with the GT3 RS, and we'll see how many cars this Gunther Werks can beat. Now, it should do well. It's got a 4-litre flat 6 twin turbocharged engine, which is actually based on one from a 993, but it's been so heavily modified you wouldn't believe it. 1,067 horsepower, driving the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual gearbox. No launch control, it's me doing it myself. Now, this car weighs in at 1.3 tons because it's got so much carbon fibre on it. The bodywork, the interior, and loads of the bits inside are just like CNC aluminium. It feels glorious. It feels minimalist but also luxurious at the same time. The seats are incredible. I love this car already and I can't wait to drive it. Now, the Porsche 911 992 GT3 RS, it has a 4-litre flat 6 naturally aspirated engine with 525 horsepower, driving the rear wheels via a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. Weighs a bit more than this Gunther Werks. It's about 1.4 tons. Here's the stats of the cars side by side with weights and stuff like that. Right, let's go on with this race. Hopefully I'm not going to get beaten by this, otherwise it's going to be a very short video. Okay, I've never launched this, but I'm going to guess that I'm going to rev it up to about 5,000 RPM, dump the clutch, and hope for the best. I might spin my wheels quite a bit. 3, 2, 1. Come on! Oh, he's ahead, but he won't be for long. Wow, whoa, this launches so well. Blimey, this thing's fast. Speed of that thing, come on DRS, do something for me. Whoa! My goodness, that was a terrible launch because my tyres are still quite cold. How was your launch, Nick?
Yeah, my launch was great. I wish I could say it was bad because I need some help to beat you, but that thing is a rocket ship in gear, isn't it?
It's absolutely crazy. Speaking of in gear, let's do it. Let's do a rolling race.
My fate is in the hands of the DRS gods now.
You need more than DRS, I can tell you. This thing is wild. Right, Nick, what we're going to do now is a rolling race, 3rd gear from 50 miles an hour over the half mile. Little excuse before I get going. This has a 6-speed manual gearbox. Yours has a 7-speed auto. Probably your 3rd gear is going to be lower ratio than mine, but it's not going to matter because this just has so much punch. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Lag.
Yes, I'm ahead.
Lag, 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 lag. Boost.
Well, I'm not ahead anymore. God, 3rd gear's long in this.
That's all I gotta say.
I was so shocked I forgot to press my special button I was banging on about, but it didn't matter. I'm so impressed.
It feels like it's got a really, really, really short gearbox because it just rips through the gears like crazy, like 4th and 5th are just gone. Oh my God. Right, it's another rolling race, which I think is really going to show the difference between the two cars now, like crazy. Me on this start line, wow. We're going to be escalating the car soon. You'll see what I'm up against in a minute. I'm a bit nervous about it. Actually, Nick, before we race, let's just do a quick sound check. Can you rev up your naturally aspirated flat 6, please? Yes, yes, the old launch trick. Have a listen to this. Look at the speed it revs. Whoa. Oh, okay then, Nick. Same thing again, kind of. We're going to do a rolling race over the half mile, but we're going to roll in at 10 miles an hour in 1st gear. Now, I've got a feeling this might spin up its wheels a bit, which could give you a bit of a chance, but I'm not sure it's going to be enough. Let's do it anyway.
Well, you say that, as you're parked there, I can see you have zipple tread on those tyres. Those are slicks, Matt.
Don't worry, you're going to get to upgrade your car shortly.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's ahead for a bit. Not for long.
Oh, no, am I gaining?
That's it, gone. Done.
He's disappeared. That thing is a rocket.
You're going to need a bigger boat.
Yeah, or at least a much faster one anyway.
You'll like this bit though. Let's just do a quick brake test and then you can upgrade your car.
Whoa, what?
I don't normally get to win those, but this time I did. This brakes really well.
I am frustrated and annoyed and I need another car.
Who'd have thought that a GT3 RS was just too slow and couldn't brake well enough? Anyway, go on, off you go, upgrade your car. Nick, you appear to be coming at me with four-wheel drive. You know my weakness and you plan to capitalise on it, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, not much on earth can get close to how much power you've got and the fact that it is lighter than helium. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to match your slicks with four-wheel drive.
So stats on your car, 5.2 litre, naturally aspirated, V10, 640 horsepower, 600 newton meters, 7-speed dual clutch auto, driving all four wheels with launch control.
Yeah, you said it. I'm feeling pretty good about this one.
Here's the stats of the cars side by side with weights and stuff like that. Right, now, do you know what we're going to do though? I definitely need heat in my tyres, so we're going to do the rolling races first, and then we'll come to the drag race at the end. If this thing hooks up, you've got no chance. If it doesn't, you might beat me. Let's go. Third gear, 50 miles an hour over the half mile. Do you think you got a chance?
Yeah, I think I do.
I really think I do.
I mean, you've got to stay positive, right? Flipping Lamborghini. Of course I've got a chance.
Yeah, you got a chance. Okay, Nick, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, yes!
It's the turbo lag and then it's the way it pulls in fourth like this and then in fifth now.
There's turbos on that thing, I can hear them from here!
And it just keeps pulling. That was definitely closer than the 3RS, wasn't it?
100%. I reckon in first gear, I've got you.
Really? We do a rolling race, first gear, you think you're going to have me over the half mile?
I think I might do, yeah.
Right, let's prove this guy wrong.
Right, Matt, here's why I think I'm going to beat you. The only thing that works in my favour right now, apart from four-wheel drive, which doesn't matter so much on a roll, is the fact that I've got an automatic gearbox. If we start in first gear, that's 2 more gear changes that your hands and your feet have to do.
In other words, Matt, you're crap at changing gears. I'm going to beat you.
Who said that? Who else has got a radio?
All right, let's find out. Here we go. Don't wheel spin.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Oh no!
Yes! Have that! Have it! I even hit the rev limiter. It's even faster now. You couldn't have been more wrong.
What's even more embarrassing is that either I hit the limiter in first or I got a boatload of wheel spin as it changed into second. Oh! But it turns out that I'm crap at changing gears too.
You're in an automatic! Blimey, Nick! I have faith in this car.
Yeah, and rightly so. But I mean, let's be honest, we all know that only the drag race matters.
Shut up, let's do a brake test first. Can I beat that in a brake test? I beat the 3 RS. Can I keep it up? Come on.
Oh gosh, he's blooming won by even more.
Do you know what? There's hardly any ABS in this. It's so good.
I'm so impressed by that. That car seems to tick every box, doesn't it?
I'm pretty sure those slick tyres help in the braking a little bit. You need for it to start raining.
Yeah, the one time in this country the weather's not working for us. I tell you what, I do have 4-wheel drive and that didn't help during a brake test, but it is going to help me now, isn't it?
This is it, do or die, this drag race. Right, Nick, before you drag race, quick sound check. So angry. I'm still going to take this. I think this sounds more impressive. Let's drag race. Come on, come on. Need to just balance this. That's where I want it. There, 4.5. Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Off we go! Come on, Lambo!
Come on, good change. Come on.
He's in my blind spot, I must be ahead.
Reel him in, come on. Come on. I was reeling you in, but I ran out of space.
Yeah, you did. Finally, the V10 comes good.
It's not over yet. Come on, best out of 3.
3, 2, 1.
Come on.
How did he launch so well?
Ah, he's coming back on that gear change. Good gear changes, Watson, come on.
Come on, Lambo, come on, reel him in.
Wasn't expecting that. Your launch was a bit poo, mate.
I know we've said it a million times, it's like a bingo call now, but yeah, there's a bit of a delay on these dual clutches and I didn't time it that well. But even so, I mean, you got a pretty stellar launch in that.
Yeah, it was good. Anyway, that's your problem, not my problem. This is it then, the decider.
3, 2, 1.
Off we go! Yes, we're pulling ahead!
Come on! Am I going to have you on the line?
Matt's coming back!
That was so close.
That was ridiculously close, but I have a horrible feeling you had me on the line.
Let's just check. Yes! You are out, my friend.
Oh, how close was it?
Not close enough. Oh my God. Right, upgrade your car. All right then, Nick. I see what you're doing. You've gone for the big boy Lambo, have you? The Revuelto.
Yeah, no more messing around now, Matt. This is all out.
I'm not sure it's fair, right? 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12, 2 electric motors on the front axle, 1 in the gearbox, your 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. Got 1,015 horsepower and 1,060 odd newton meters of torque. At least your car's heavy, like 1.9 tons almost, but this is no.
You've had plenty of opportunities to beat me, Matt. I think it's time we turn the tables.
Oh, don't be so sure that you're going to win. You never know. You might fluff your start. It might bog down. It might not perform. Here's the stats of the cars side by side with weights and stuff like that. Let's go. Right, what we're going to do is start off with the brake test to get some heat in the tyres of the Lamborghini. You know, give it a fighting chance. Here we go. Here's the braking zone.
Yes, come on. Oh no!
Mate, another win. It's like a consistent distance between each and every car so far, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, and I was definitely slowing down quicker, if that makes sense, than you for the first car length, and then I don't know what happened there. Your slicks gripped up or something.
Nick, I've got a little bit of a request for you. Seeing as you've bought the big bad boy Lambo, let's not do the rolling race in third gear because you've got 8 gears, you'll be in the low gear relative to my gear. I've got turbo, like blah, 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 blah. Give me a fighting chance. Let's just do it on the first gear rolling because at least I can get my boost on straight away.
Okay, yeah, I'm feeling sporting. All right, we can do that.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Not a hope, Matt.
Oh, he's ahead though.
I mean, he's hanging on.
Your hybridness just helps you out so much there.
And not only that, it's a naturally aspirated V12. The throttle response on that alone would be incredible. But yeah, 3 electric motors as well. Oh, this thing is rapid.
Don't get too cocky though, because there's probably an area where you're definitely going to lose. And I reckon on a launch, if this thing hooks up, I'm going to give you a run for your money.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, off we go!
Got him off the line, come on. Don't flop a gear change. Oh, it's a gear change, it's not me.
Bye, Matthew!
For one small moment, I thought I was going to have you. Gear shifts on that, there's just no let up in torque. You've got the electric motors just keeping the performance coming, but I wasn't miles behind.
I mean, this car is complicated, right? There's a lot going on and it has a lot to think about when it launches. So sometimes it doesn't get the best hit, but there's no catching this over a quarter mile.
Fair enough. Well, there we go. Let's check out the times.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Revuelto won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.2 seconds. The Gunther Werks F26 just beat the Huracán, but both cars finished with a time of 10.5 seconds. And the GT3 RS was last. It crossed the line in 10.9 seconds.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. I mean, I've absolutely loved driving this car. Huge thanks to Gunther Werks for making this possible, and to Shawnee's Garage. Follow Shawnee for lending us his cars to drag race. Love you, Sean. Go check him out, all right? Now, if you'd like to see another video with some crazy Porsche, a dream car of mine to drive, click on the video window to go and watch that now. It'll blow your mind. And as ever, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel because we've got some awesome drag race videos coming out very soon. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.